Show me.
Dati tikatan.
Wow.
Dati puro nga datay. Ay, datay. Ay, tas din
What is that? Show me. You need to open slowly. Then you need to show me.
Okay, okay.
Other one you take.
This one.
No, the other one you cut.
Napait? Ay, baka dati tibukol na. Ay.
Other one you cut and show me nicely. Here, focus here.
This one.
Show me.
Nag-cute. Tuunag na ni kaslala ko.
Show me. Hello.
Ayag-tayag data.
What is that?
Ano na nga palit ka na? Paadanda. Apa yung po daw? Isa pa kalalaan. At ano na? Paadanda. Well.
What is the name?
Bagbagkong. Bunga ng bagbagkong. Ni kabil dato nga napait am amen. Ate, naanante dati kas bunga na. Ang napait ni kabil amin da.
From inside water is coming, right?
Puraw sumit.
Ka. It is watery.
Watery. Kaya kan amuan. Ilang buong siguro na imas. Ano, natangkon ka sa ano yan? Natangkon dato yan. Well, tanda ni hanga makukutsin nyo. Ni, inwada kumatakwa. Umutan ka sa ano nga. Dati tinulog na. Nagtitunag na kaslala ko.
Look.
Patag ka nang kumanimang nagalan niya kung mga ito. Oh, ito na.
Finished.
Ay, napagkapatan, kastuinan, kastanan, nagdarak ko.
Okay. What is this?
Ikati, gatati, pati, nagan na. Marunggay dati bulong. Tapos pinalatan.
You cook with this one. Fry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Nagtangkam mo dati ko.
And then eggplant also, right? Everything from our garden, right?
No, this one somebody gave.
Pumpkin and then the bug.
The bunga ng bagbag ko. Wala, hindi. Gago. Tresla. Nagadot ang api. Awang mo ito. Duwa nga ba nito ginatang ko? Gimi pinamit tinumuno mo na.
Okay.
Agano sa tagumatang ako na ako nga. Adwok tun kasag ti Christmas lang.
You won't put in the balato? No.
Done already. Kaya namarot man yung nabubra ko man. Ay,
This one with this 3 vegetable only. Okay, we will see next. Okay. Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. My tongue is sleepy. Okay, வணக்கம் மக்களே. Okay, இது எங்கள் தமிழ் மக்களுக்காகவும். Okay, and I will tell in both Tamil and English and also some Ilocano.
one.
Okay, one means yes, ama. See this one. Today, this is the one I have included in this video. When you cut that one, I don't know how to.
Almost there. Bagbagkong.
Bagbagkong.
That's
Okay.
the.
I don't know how to pronounce.
What's that?
Sorry. Actually, that
The
is a
fruit.
small flower. When we make dinangdang, if you see in our video, we have make a lot of dinangdang. In that, some kind of flower, you can see a greenish flower. That one become a big, like this one.
Become
But
fruits.
when I
Ay.
see this one, I thought this is a parlang. But actually, this is not the parlang one. That small flower become big one. So they have. Okay, in that one you can see. It is very nice also, but I don't know how it tastes. Maybe it is like
Bitter.
a bitter
Or sour?
Kasapu in
You
Tamil.
check if it is bitter.
Not bitter, like crunchy one, nice, very soft also inside. Outer side it's crunchy. When you fry with this one, see here. Right. This one pumpkin. This is the palang.
And what else?
And this one sambar. Indian sambar.
We still have them searching.
And some eggplant. Talong.
Tarong. Brinjal.
Okay. Hold it. First, this is a different kind of Tamil Nadu plus Filipino, Ilocano,
Indian and
dish, mixed dish. Okay, it's a mixed culture.
yeah.
So both
Filipina and Indian.
countries, both
Same like
joined
me.
together.
Same.
We are friends, right? Like that. Friendship,
Even though different
culture,
culture
everything, but
or
we are
country, same. If you eat, it will be nice. Rumba nandri? Ay, rumba na laki?
Rumba na lagi. See, my wife can talk some Tamil also. I'm trying to teach. So in coming videos, I will try to let her speak in Tamil also. She know how to sing Tamil song. Our Ilayaraja song. I will show you in next
song?
video. What song? You sing 1-2 word for us.
Urusanam Tunggerici
That song.
Udakatum arici-rici Pavimanam Tunggalaye Adimunyinu Puralaye Forgot sound.
It's nice. It's very tasty. But this one, outer side is very hard, but
This
inner
one?
side is very soft. Nice, but taste wise very good. Not bitter. Kasappa illa. Kasap கிடையாது. Kasap கிடையாது means one.
Awan haan nga na
Haan.
haan nga na pait.
Nice.
In Tagalog hindi mapait.
But here, most of them they cook half, cook only. They won't cook too much like overcook also, something like too much cook. But I used to practice to eat like this. Some I cannot eat. Very tasty. One more time. One more. Nice. The edge side very crunchy and then inside it's soft. See that? When you are taking itself, you'll have a dripping water, right?
I
Too much
don't know.
water, right?
It's also my first time to cook like that.
Same like that. The big lengthy
What's that?
god, the big one, the snake god, that one have inside too much white thing. That one you take here. Same
Is
like
it?
that. This one you take out.
Okra. Ay,
In our
battle cord.
snake god.
Oh.
That one. Pudalanga. In
Oh,
Tamil.
yeah.
We used to cook chutney also, that one. Okay, guys. Right, I have to finish up and. Okay, guys. I need to finish up.
Yeah.
She is also
I need to
hungry
eat also.
and she want to eat. Okay, thanks for watching and thank you for supporting our YouTube Hungry channel. And please subscribe our YouTube channel and share and comment, and also comment below if you have any other thing to tell. Just comment on the video. And thank you for watching, and follow our Facebook page. That is also Twohungry Tribes. Thank you guys. God bless everyone. Bye.